Welcome back to Pier Runners. Today we're going to be talking about one product that we're super proud to be affiliated to. It's the Level8 Suitcase company. I had heard that they were good and I'd seen other YouTubers with them, but I didn't realize how much they were a game changer until I actually got some samples to try and test out.
Most recently, we've been using their Adventure series and we've been really impressed with it. So today we're gonna be sharing what we really think of this suitcase. And of course, if you like content like this, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We're also gonna be putting a discount code in the description box down below to get 10% off this amazing suitcase.
So the first thing we noticed when we unboxed this Adventure suitcase was the way that it opens. Instead of the traditional clamshell opening system where it unzips and opens in the middle, this one opens at the top like a hinge.
At first, we weren't sure if we were gonna like this style because of that top opening, but in the end, I think it ended up being so much more practical and so much easier to handle. And I love that in the hotel room, it doesn't take up too much room. It doesn't spread out flat like those other clamshell suitcases. And I thought it was just so much more practical to travel with.
Plus, this has happened to everyone. You go to the airport, your suitcase is slightly overweight and you have to transfer some of the stuff from your suitcase.
Or if you're just looking for something in your suitcase.
And you have to open it before your final destination in an airport or whatever. It's the absolute worst to open something and it takes up tons of space. You can't manage stuff, things fall out. This makes you avoid all that. Because of the design and the fact that it's so deep, it makes it easier to pack certain bulky items like boots and jackets. It really has a deep pocket and you can put the stuff directly in.
Yeah, and you're not trying to cram it onto the one side of those clamshell suitcases. Yeah. So it makes it a lot easier to pack.
This suitcase is literally so deep that our dog fits in it. I mean, our lab fits in it, even our collie. Okay, no, not the collie. And if you're not like Alex and you don't pack everything perfectly in a Tetris style with like packing cubes and stuff, and you do it like me where you just kind of choose your clothes and throw them in, that works out because of the space and the way it's designed without those bars at the bottom. There's tons of room for any style of packing.
Yeah, you can kind of just throw all your clothes in, zip it up, and you're ready to go. Okay, so now let's talk about the material and the durability of the suitcase. So the suitcase itself is made of a super strong German Macrolon polycarbonate, which makes it super durable and super lightweight. The interior is lined with 100% recycled polyester, and it does have a TSA approved lock on the front of it.
Yeah, so we never have to worry about security or getting an extra lock to take care to secure our luggage. The main compartment is super simple, but really well designed. It has its own built-in compression system to hold everything in place, so when you're wheeling around, nothing moves inside the suitcase.
There's also a zippered compartment for toiletries and extra accessories. The trolley handle is super strong. It doesn't shake around or feel flimsy at all. And because you have that extra wide handle, you don't have those bars going down the middle of the suitcase, so you have so much more room to pack your stuff.
One of the trade-offs of this system is that it makes it a little harder to slip on some of the little carry-on bags on top of your suitcase due to the fact that the handles are a little wider, right?
Yeah, like usually some of the bags have these little straps that you can put onto the handles. You won't be able to do that with this suitcase, but the solution is to just buy an external strap that you can just strap around your bag.
So that way you get the best of both worlds. You get that wide handle and you can still put on your little carry-on bags on top. We're gonna be putting a link for that additional strap also in the comments. The suitcase featured in this video is the 28-inch Adventure model, but it also comes in two other sizes. It comes in a bunch of great colors, some pastel, light blues. It's really, really hip. We love the yellow because we can see it from a mile away.
It's just really easy to spot when it comes out of the carousel because of that beautiful bright yellow color. And the wheels are super smooth. They're so easy to roll in the airport or even out on the street.
Yeah, this is the kind of suitcase where you can roll in every direction. You never feel any resistance, whether it's half full or completely full and really weighed down. I mean, you see it in a lot of videos. You can literally sit on the suitcase once it's packed and it will glide smoothly across any surface. And surprisingly, even though it's a super big suitcase, it's still expandable. So if you come back with more stuff than you left with, there is no problem. And on the 28-inch model, the one that we're featuring in this video, there's actually so much expandable space that you can add a whole 9 liters.
That's quite a lot.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're big fans of Level 8 suitcases, but I really love this new Adventure series. I think it's my favorite up to now.
The top opening feature really made a big difference for us. We were able to easily pack everything we needed for our upcoming cruise into one suitcase.
Yeah, and since we're driving down to the cruise port, it was super easy to fit the one suitcase into the car and roll it onto the cruise ship with us. So if you're looking for a suitcase that's lightweight, strong, easy to roll, and easy to pack, I think this would be a really great option for you.
They work super well. There's a lot of thought put into the design. We've used them several times. Our older son went to Europe with one of them. The thing came back looking just as good as when it left. We really are proud to even show them off. I find they look sexy. And when I walk around those things, I feel kind of jet set.
Yeah, so if you want to check it out, we'll leave a link in the description box down below. And don't forget to use our discount code PIERR10 for a 10% discount.
A big shout out goes to Level 8 for sponsoring this video and sending out these suitcases for us to review and use. If you haven't already and you like this content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Happy cruising. Bye.